Hey guys, Nikki with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we wanted to take a gear. It had grease and grime over it. It was disgusting, so we wanted to put it in the Hydroblast at 1500 PSI and heat up to 120 degrees. It was able to clean this surface, melt away all the grease and grime. If you're a mechanic shop and all you're interested in is getting clean parts, the Hydroblast is a perfect parts washer for you. Again, it's a 220 60 hertz. It is 120 degrees in the heater, and you also have 1500 PSI to blast away all of this grease and grime. Stay tuned. We're going to have better options available. We're going to show you how we can restore this part to its originality. Give us a call, 828-202-5563. Thank you so much.